A poker hand consists of 5 cards. The order is not important, so we know this is going to be a combination and not a permutation. So part A says, find the total number of possible 5-card poker hands. So we have 52 cards total, and we are choosing 5 of them. And this is equal to 2,598,960. And this is actually kind of a famous number, so if you Google it, you will get tons of articles about poker. Part B says, find the number of possible 5-card hands that consist of 5 hearts. So we have 13 hearts total, and we are selecting 5 of them, and there are 1,287 ways of doing this. Part C says, find the probability of being dealt a hand that contains 5 hearts. So part C is really just a combination of parts A and B. So that's going to be 1,287 over 2,598,960. And this reduces to 33 over 66,640. Now, because this is such a big number, some calculators actually won't reduce it. So I will accept either answer, as well as the decimal version. So either the normal decimal or the decimal in scientific notation. So I will accept any of these 4 answers.